Taapsee Pannu has recently been in the news for all the wrong reasons. On Saturday, Taapsee broke her silence on allegations against her in an alleged tax invasion case. And now, Kangana Ranaut took to her social media handle to slam Taapsee in connection with the recent raids at her Mumbai premises by the Income Tax Department. Earlier in the day, Taapsee broke her silence on the IT raids on her property with a couple of tweets, even cracking a joke at how she's not so susti anymore, an insult often thrown at her by Kangana. Kangana then responded to her tweet saying that her image in her eyes has not changed. In her tweet, she wrote, "You will always remain susti because you are sub-rapist ka feminist. Your ringmaster Kashyap was raided in 2013 as well for tax chori. Government officials' report is out. If you aren't guilty, go to court against them. Come clean on this. Come on, Sasti." That's not all. Kangana later took to her Twitter and launched another attack on Anurag Kashyap and others. Her tweet read as, "But her alleged rapist ringmaster was raided in 2013. FM clearly referred to him. Entire Phantom and Quan gang who were accused of multiple rapes and molestations by hundreds of women were also raided, but still only this monkey doing Sasta Tamasha. Where are the ringmasters?" Anurag Kashyap also took to his social media handle to share a message for his haters. Sharing a picture with Taapsee, Anurag captioned the post as, "And we restart #Dobara with all our love to all the haters." Amid this, Taapsee's boyfriend and badminton player Matthias Bo took to his Twitter handle to seek help from Union Minister Kiren Rijiju as Taapsee's parents are stressed about the situation. In his tweet, he wrote, "Finding myself in a bit of a turmoil, representing flag of India for the first time as a coach for some great athletes. Meanwhile, IT department is raiding Taapsee's houses back home, putting unnecessary stress on her family, especially her parents. Kiren Rijiju, please do something." The union minister then tweeted back to Matthias as he asked him to stick to his professional duties and added, "Law of the land is supreme and we must abide by that. The subject matter is beyond yours and my domain. We must stick to our professional duties in the best interest of Indian sports." Kashyap and Pannu, who worked together in the 2018 film Man Marziyan, are currently filming Dobara, their next thriller.